Okay, do it. Come on. What's this? Scout, what's this? Scout, what's that?
A, C, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, Q, R, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y.
And? What's that?
Z.
Z, yes. Okay, teach mommy again. What's this?
A.
What's this?
B.
This?
C. D.
What's this?
E.
This?
D.
No, what's this?
E.
No, it's F.
F. G. H. J. K. L.
N.
O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z.
Good. Scarlett, what's this?
Z.
D. What's this?
G.
Scarlett, what's this? Scarlett, what's this? Scarlett, look at this.
Y.
What's this? Oh, what's this?
G.
Scarlett, what's this? Scarlett, what's this?
G.
Scarlett, look at this.
That's funny.
That's not funny. What's this?
I say hi.
What's this letter?
Nine.
Scarlett, okay. Look. Scarlett, what's this letter? Honey.
You say hi 9, 6, 9, 5.
Okay.
Understand? Bye.
Scarlett.
Thanks.
Okay, bye.